Mm. What's that? Ganyan? Okay. Ooh, how we can go to the barrio when it's raining? It's going to be a muddy road again. Muddy again, Buske. Iban? How can? How? How can? How? How to get dry when it's raining? 5. 5?
5 years.
5 years?
Yeah.
Wow, that's long way. Long time also.
When it's dry, for it's dry now. Wala ako naubos yung thread ko. Wala pa naubos yung thread ko.
Bakit?
Bako yung thread ko.
Ay, iwash mo doon eh. Damak man si imo yaman.